Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Complete home renovation. How it is to live in a complete crazy home renovation. Woo! What's up, everybody? Alright, real quick. My last video I just posted on how I like shark bites and why I like shark bites. And I was installing a end cap. I was cutting off my hot and my cold water lines so I could move the temporary kitchen sink and water lines. I was showing you that fancy dancy orange clip. For example, this clip right here is made for 1/2-inch shark bites to take off your shark bite clips. And I did not show you that in that clip. I didn't see it being a big deal. But these water lines that I was taking off are just in here temporary. Anyhow, I've moved them like a gazillion times while I've been working on this house. But I'm gonna cut these lines off real fast, and then I'll show you how to use this little clip. And further on down the road, I will make a video on when we do the actual plumbing and get more complex into it. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this line off real fast, and I'll show you how to use this little fancy dancy orange clip, and then move on to my day. Woo! So, if you didn't see that video, it's just me showing my ass crack and showing you why I like these PEX lines and why I like shark bites, etc, 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 because they're very homeowner easy. And yeah, that's about all I can say to that. You know, it's simple. I've used them for a long time and I really enjoy them. Do they cost a little bit more? Yes, they cost a little bit more. But the nice thing about them is if you get that orange clip like I was telling you about, if you're careful with them, you can reuse them to a point. Now, you want to reuse them for your long-term main lines. If you take them off and on, off and on, off and on, like you're changing your pants and underwear? No, because after a while they stretch out, right? Just like your undies. Woo! Your undies stretching out, that would be a bad thing. That would be a bad thing. So, these nice little orange clips, I'm going to show you. You just slide it on here. Once I get this one off, I'll bring it down and I'll show you me taking off the corner and how easy, after you get the hang of them, they are. And then I'll upload this video alongside with the other one. Sorry, I got a jungle gym mess over here. So, anyhow, there's like a corner, alright? That's my 90-degree shark bite that I've been using temporary. Just like this one for my hot line. These are just 1/2-inch shark bites. So I'll stick this one in my pocket. There's your corner. I know there's a lot of good videos out there on plumbing advice, and mine's just me being dumb. 1/2-inch corner. Slide it in, right? Nothing fancy, nothing dancy, whatever. So now you got that in there, right? Simple. Put your fingers on there, push, slide off. Simple. And wherever that other corner is, I'll show you the same thing, just in case. Now, if you're careful, you won't mess up the inserts and everything else, and now you can put this in a safe spot and reuse it. Same thing. I got my hot line, I cut off of my sink line. Push it in. Make sure you, now, if you cut it too short, it's going to be a bitch to get off. Make it simple. Have yourself a little bit of hand room. Pull it off. Simple. Now, you got 290 degrees. Yes, originally, when you buy them, they are not cheap. But if you're careful and you buy this little fancy-dancy clip, you can reuse that baby boy, baby girl, whatever. That's it. That's simple. Like I said, I'm just temporarily moving these water lines, cutting them off. And if you watch my videos, I'll show you a reason why. And then I gotta go. I don't have time to be videoing my ugly mug. I got little clips here. Like I said, you see all this flex. That's the nice thing about PEX too, is if you make big areas where you can reuse it, so I'm not wasting a lot of material. I can take this off nice and easy and keep reusing it till I am ready to put in my main lines. I just cut that off, that's where my kitchen sink is right now. Actually, the kitchen sink will be in another area of the house, but this is where it's at right now. So I just cut off those, took off the corners like I showed you, clips. Now I'm gonna take down these lines. So that way, if you watch my video from the other day, I can, I'm gonna be taking down my, as soon as it warms up here a couple more days, I'm going to be disassembling the furnace behind me. But today, I already taken off all the rest of the cold run that was going that way on the furnace. I got to take this big old boy off. That was an extension piece going on my cold air return. And move all these electrical lines. And that's why my PEX ran over here. So that way, if you can see, I can frame up this wall that's going to be the inside of the utility room / laundry room / bathroom. So yeah, that is why. It's pretty simple. Same thing here. I got a corner piece. I have it on clips right now. I gotta be careful because I'm not usually doing this while I'm recording. Same concept. Take that little corner piece like I showed you, slide it in there. Boom, boom, you got a nice corner still that you can reuse further on to your remodeling projects. And that is the whole reason I love working with SharkBite and PEX for quick remodeling and renovation. When you're doing projects like this, you never know if you're going to be moving your water heater, if you're going to be moving your kitchen sink, if you're going to be moving your toilet, if you're going to be moving anything. That or your toilet's in one of these buckets down here. Or your bathtub is over there. Woo! Have yourselves a great Saturday. Thanks for watching this. If you get time, shoot me a comment, shoot me a like, and if you want, subscribe to this crazy ass. We got a lot of stuff that's going to be happening on this channel. It's just going to be in time. Woo!